An organic protest led by someone sitting in the US against paper leak is the story that we were fed. But have you ever wondered how that protest so quickly turned into one to defend Umar Khalid? Well, consider this. It was on the 1st of June that Abhijit Dipke announced the cockroach infestation at Jantar Mantar. And surprise, surprise, it was on the 1st of June that Umar Khalid walked out of jail for 3 days. Now let's take a few steps back. Listen to this cockroach, for example.
उमर खालिद को सपोर्ट करिए, पार्टी में ना, उसके साथ फ्यूचर है।
उमर खालिद ने तुम्हारी इज्जत लूटी थी क्या?
तेरे बाप की इज्जत लूट, तेरी माँ की इज्जत
लूटी है क्या?
And this one.
देश के जो फ्यूचर प्रेसिडेंट है, जो फ्यूचर लीडर है, उनको तो इन लोगों ने जेल में कर रखा है 5 साल तक। शर्जील इमाम को इन्होंने कर रखा है, उमर खालिद को इन्होंने कर रखा है, मीरान हैदर की जिंदगी इन्होंने खराब कर दी। तो ऑब्वियसली जिनके खुद के बच्चे नहीं हैं, उनको दूसरों के बच्चों का दुख नहीं समझ में आएगा। जो इंसान अपनी बीवी को नहीं संभाल पाया, वो देश की औरतों को नहीं संभाल पाएगा। गलत करने से अच्छा है कि आप मुझे दे दो, मैं 12th पास हूँ, मैं संभाल लूंगी।
And this one.
Do you support Umar Khalid?
I support Umar Khalid, yes. उसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है उनको सपोर्ट करने के लिए।
And this one.
उमर खालिद तुम्हारा लीडर है।
And this right when Congress in its official press conference is also demanding bail for Umar Khalid, promising to fight for persecuted Muslims like him, including providing legal help.
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल उमर खालिद, उनको उनका ट्रायल तक शुरू नहीं हो पा रहा, 5 साल से अधिक समय से जेल में हैं, उनको बेल क्यों नहीं? आप शर्तों के साथ बेल दीजिए।
These are not isolated events. There is an organized campaign by cockroaches to incite violence and carnage. Well, the greatest wisdom, it is said, is seeing through appearances, and it is time we ask the right questions. Was this cockroach infestation planned by those who orchestrated the Delhi anti-Hindu riots? Abhijit Dipke claimed that the protest would lend its voice to the youth wronged by the system. He claimed that the protest was aimed at demanding the resignation of the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. In fact, when Dipke announced the protest, his now deleted post on X signaled quite clearly that the aim was anarchy for anarchy's sake. The aim was to shake the foundation of the Indian government, of the Modi government specifically, a fight against India and its systems, as Rahul Gandhi would put it. And what is the best way to do that? To follow the roadmap set by the PFI, an offshoot of the terror organization SIMI, which Umar Khalid's father headed at one point.